Concurrent teaching, lesson number 9. So let's have a look at some of the in-lesson options that you have available. You should be quite comfortable now with sharing your screen, having students in front of you and students at home. Few extra things that you might want to know about, especially in terms of the fact that you will have screen 1 in front of you and Microsoft Teams open. The chat window will be available. That means students can contact you by raising their hand or typing in something or even sending you files. If you have a look at this menu bar on the bottom left hand side of your screen there, you will notice that there is the participants icon and there is a notification. When we open up the participants icon, we actually have some more options available. So clicking on our 3 dots, as you know, the 3 dots is always going to give us more options. So we click on the 3 dots and let's see what we have. We have got manage permissions. That's when you can manage the permissions of the meeting and make everyone attendants or participants. Or you can download the attendance list. Very handy. Once everyone has joined your meeting, click download attendance list. That will download a CSV file, like an Excel format file, to your downloads folder. And it downloads it there automatically. Okay. And then, of course, what else do we have? Couple more options. If we look at the individual person, so there's delegate 01. Remember my dummy student. They're not a dummy. They're actually quite clever. And I click on the 3 dots or right click on the student and you can see I can lower their hand because they've raised their hand. I find a lot of times students forget to lower their hands. You can lower their hand for them. We can mute the participant, pin them to the top of the group if we're chatting with them constantly, remove them from the meeting, or make an attendee so that they can then not present and not interrupt any of your presentations or window sharing. So these are just some of the options that we have. Another option that you might want to also experiment with is the AltTab shortcut. AltTab. There, I've highlighted the keys on the keyboard for you. Pressing Alt-Tab will bring up all the windows or applications that are currently open on your computer, and you can then switch between open windows and applications. It's much quicker to do this than taking your mouse onto screen 2 and trying to click or open up a window that has been minimized onto the taskbar. So rather use Alt-Tab to select a window and it'll just switch to that window right away.